Hi there guys, Naeem here. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's episode, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Jean Paul Gaultier's 2019 Le Beau. So let's get right into it. I really like these cans they use for their boxes. Very unique looking. Very excited. Oh. Okay, and I'm back here. Sorry, the thing got popped off. There we go, back on. Wow, very nice bottle. I like it. Got the leaf in front of the guy's thing. So we pick it off like this. Wow, pretty hard. So let's see how this one smells. Oh, nice atomizer. Very sweet. Has some freshness. Off the top we get bergamot. Yeah, in the mid we get coconut. And the base is tonka bean, right? Very nice fragrance. I like it. It's sweet, so and it's fresh, so it can work for all day, night or day. Very nice. I'm gonna let this sit for a bit, let it dry down, and I'm gonna come back and smell it, see how it is. Be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So it's been an hour. I let the fragrance dry down on the test strip, see how it is. Yeah, as I was smelling it now, I could pick up on the coconut, but I also get sweetness too, which comes from the tonka bean. Very nice fragrance. It could work for the all year round. I could see it being a great spring and summer fragrance. Yeah, very nice. I'm gonna give this fragrance a couple wear, see how the projection is and the longevity is and the compliment factor, and I'm gonna come back to you guys in a couple of weeks and do a full review. And I'm also gonna get the new concentration that came out this year, the Le Parfum of this flanker, and do a full review on that one for you guys too. I'll get this one couple wear. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace.